Solid Edge 2021 streamlines the process of finding 3D models by providing tight integration to a new next dimension visual search engine for mechanical, electrical, and electronic engineering. 3D Find It for Solid Edge, powered by CADENAS, can significantly reduce time searching for engineering parts. Searches can be performed using classifications, geometry, filters, sketches, and much more. Here we are searching for a 30mm cable gland using text alone. We can narrow down the search by filtering different suppliers, or even add an additional search term to look at a particular standard. We can visualize the 3D model for the part, or even the 2D drawing. Individual parameters for the part can be defined. The 3D models can be sectioned, and users can even search for similarly shaped parts. Parts may also be compared. A compare function graphically illustrates the difference between the last two parts found. This allows users to ensure they have exactly the part they need or to choose another part to compare if necessary. Once the desired part is located, a single click adds it to a Solid Edge assembly, allowing us to assemble it where required. Next, we need a blanking grommet. This can be selected and placed in the same way. We launch 3D Find It, run a text search, find the part we need, and define the appropriate parameters. In this case, the diameter. Once we have visualized the part, we can add it to our assembly and define the appropriate relationships. The next cable gland needs to clamp a 3mm cable. In order to find an appropriate matching gland, 3D Find It allows us to use an existing 3D model to perform a shape search. In this instance, once the appropriate file is selected, the size-dependent slider allows the search scope to be defined before running the search. We could also narrow the search down by adding other search terms. Once the desired part has been found, the parameters can be defined and the part added to our assembly. Relationships are added in the normal way. We now need to find a handle for the top of the case. Going back to 3D Find It, we'll do an initial search for the text term handle. This returns many results, so we need to narrow this down by providing a sketch and simply drawing the shape of the handle we need. Once we have located the appropriate handle, we can define its parameters and add it to our assembly. The CADENAS 3D Find It search engine provides access to millions of 3D CAD models in native Solid Edge formats from more than 800 manufacturers, increasing your efficiency in finding the parts you need for your design. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.